Number 10 in the algebra section is also an equation that we need to solve for x, but it's dealing with fractions. So we've got a little work to do on the fractions before we can solve this for x. In other words, get x on one side by itself. Let me go ahead and drop the parentheses here, and when I do, the positive sign is going to go away because the number inside the parentheses is negative. The left side is going to become 4 over 5 minus 3 over 10. And then I'm going to work with this 1 and 1/2. I'm going to convert that to a mixed fraction, which is easier to work with. Take 1 times 2, which is 2, and add 1, which is 3. So the improper equivalent to 1 and 1/2 is 3/2. Okay? Now, to combine the left side, I need to come up with a common denominator. My denominators here are 5 and 10. I need to make them both 10. The way to make this 4/5 have a denominator of 10 is to multiply the 5 times 2, and that would give us the 10. If I multiply the bottom times 2, then I need to multiply the top times 2. So this left side of the equation is going to become 2 times 4, which is 8, over 2 times 5, which is 10, minus, and nothing needs to be done because we already have a denominator of 10 here. So this is 3 over 10. I'm simply going to bring the other side down because I'm not ready to work with that. Now let me combine these terms here. 8 minus 3, 5, over 10. And this is still equal to x plus 3/2. Well, 5 over 10 will reduce to 1/2. And so I'll have 1/2 is equal to x plus 3/2. And in order to get x on one side of the equation by itself, I need to subtract the 3/2. I'm going to subtract the 3/2 from this side, and I'm going to subtract it from this side, and I'm going to have an x left on the right side, and I need to consider 1/2 minus 3/2, which is going to be negative 2 over 2, or negative 1. Let's see if that's an option, and it is option C. Option C is the correct answer.